This video was not filmed with a camera. It was created from a single line of text. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to use Google's new AI Veo 3 to create stunning videos just like this, even if you have zero video editing experience. Imagine creating high-quality
Look out for new
cinematic
updates.
video clips, complete with realistic movement, synchronized dialogue, ambient sound, and even music. We'll cover how to get access, the secret to writing the perfect prompt, and how to use its powerful integration with Canva. Let's get started. Hey everyone, and welcome back to AI Joyful Discoveries. If you're a content creator, a marketer, or just someone fascinated by the future of video, then today's video is going to blow your mind. We're diving deep into Google Veo 3, Google's latest and most powerful AI video generation model. You learn effective prompting, camera angle and lighting control, character dialogue manipulation, and techniques for consistent results. You also discover how to combine clips to create longer stories. So, if you're ready to unlock your inner AI filmmaker, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. First things first, how do you get your hands on Veo 3? The easiest way for most creators is through Canva. Google has integrated Veo 3 directly into Canva's Create a Video Clip feature. This is great for generating quick, high-quality B-roll. The free version has limitations. Canva Pro users are limited to 5 video generations per month, with clips of 8 seconds each, similar to Flow. More information on this integration is available at https://www.canva.com, newsroom, newsveo3, canva.ai, video. For more control, you want to use Google's dedicated tool, Flow, which has the full power of Veo 3. You get access to Flow by subscribing to the Google AI Pro plan, which is part of your Google One membership. This gives you native audio, longer potential clips, and advanced features we'll explore in a moment. And for the developers and early adopters, there's the Google AI Studio, which provides a free, limited version of Veo 2 to experiment with. For this tutorial, we'll focus on Flow and Canva, as they're the most powerful options for creators today. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be demonstrating many of the prompting techniques and advanced features using Flow since it's Google's dedicated Veo 3 interface. But remember that the core prompting principles apply directly to the Canva integration as well. Consider Canva's feature a streamlined version of the Veo 3 Studio. To create your first video, remember that detailed text prompts are key to achieving optimal results in both Veo 3 and Canva. You see a simple text box. This is where the magic begins. Let's try a simple prompt first. A happy golden retriever puppy playing in a field of sunflowers on a sunny day. And just like that, bam! Look at that. Golden lighting, the puppy's playful movements, even the rustling of the sunflowers. And notice the native audio generation. That's a huge step forward for AI video. Now, let's quickly jump over to Canva and try something similar so you can see how it works there. Type a slightly modified prompt here in Canva. A happy golden retriever puppy, close up, sniffing a sunflower, bright sun. See? The same underlying powerful AI from Veo 3, but right inside your familiar Canva environment. This is fantastic for adding dynamic elements directly into your presentations, social media posts, or even a quick YouTube intro that you're already designing in Canva. Whether you're in Flow or Canva, Veo 3 thrives on detail. To get the best results, you need to think like a film director. A great way to do this is with the CASCADE method via Tianya Xu LinkedIn. Let's put this into action. Here is a simple prompt. A bustling city street at night with neon lights. People bustling, walking with umbrellas with gritty documentary style. Now, let's supercharge that using Cascade. For camera, we'll specify a low angle, gritty documentary style shot. For ambient, it's a rainy night with wet pavement reflecting neon signs. The context is a futuristic Tokyo style cyber city. The subject is people with glowing umbrellas, and the action is the camera following a woman in a long black coat. Finally, the emotion is melancholic and mysterious. A low angle, gritty documentary style cinematic shot from behind, following people in a long black coat. The scene is a bustling narrow street in a futuristic Tokyo style cyber city on a rainy night. People rush past with glowing umbrellas as the wet asphalt pavement reflects the bright, colorful neon signs. The mood is melancholic and mysterious. Majestic eagle flying over snow capped mountains, created in Canva using the Cascade sample. Let's try an advanced prompt back in Flow. A low angle cinematic shot of a sleek futuristic car driving through a neon lit cyber city at night. Rain is falling, reflecting colorful lights on the wet pavement. Sound, engine hum, futuristic city ambience, and a synthwave music track. See how much more impactful that is? The more specific you are, the more VO3 can bring your vision to life. VO3 isn't just about single clips. You can start to build narratives. One of the challenges with AI video is character and scene consistency across multiple short clips. VO3 currently generates clips up to 8 seconds. Now, while these add to scene features are present in the scene builder and designed for continuity, it's vital to remember their current limitation with VO3. Many users, including myself in testing, have found that when you use jump to and extend a VO3 clip, Flow often defaults to the older VO2 model, resulting in a loss of the crucial native audio. You might get silent video or simply lower quality. For now, to ensure you get the best quality VO3 clips with audio and good visual fidelity, your best approach is to generate individual 8-second clips, focusing on detailed prompting for each one. Here's how you can maximize consistency between those individual clips. Detailed character and scene descriptions. This is your number one tool. If you have a recurring character or scene, describe them meticulously in every single prompt. Use consistent keywords. Let's try generating a short sequence by focusing on strong individual prompts and planning how we'd stitch them in an editor. Clip 1 prompt in Flow. Medium shot. A young woman with bright blue eyes and a determined expression stands on a cliff overlooking a stormy ocean. Wind is whipping through her hair. Sound, crashing waves, strong wind. Clip 2 prompt. Close up on the young woman.
The
Same
legend is
bright
real.
blue eyes, determined expression, and wind whipped hair. As she raises a weathered map in her hand, her eyes scanning the horizon. Sound, rustling map, distant thunder. Dialogue. The legend is real. So, you've got these amazing 8-second clips, whether you're generating them in Flow or within Canva. How do you turn them into full-fledged YouTube videos? VO3's Flow interface offers a powerful image to video feature. Upload character designs, product images, or artwork, and prompt VO3 to animate them, ensuring consistent character portrayal and concept visualization. This is fantastic for bringing concept art or specific character designs to life and helps immensely with visual consistency across multiple prompts. You can generate a character, then use that character's image as a reference for subsequent clips. The prompt used the red robot slowly raises its arm and points towards something off screen. Canva is also working on bringing similar image to video capabilities. Before you even open Veo 3, plan your video. What's the story? What scenes do you need? Break down your script into individual 8-second segments. Think about the camera angles, the action, the specific dialogue, and the mood for each shot. Bonus tip: use Gemini or ChatGPT to help you brainstorm and refine your prompts. Give it your video idea and ask it to generate detailed Veo 3 prompts for each scene. Since Veo 3 currently generates 8-second clips, you need to stitch them together in your favorite video editing software: CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, Adobe Premiere Pro, or Visla, you name it. This is where you add music, longer voiceovers, graphics, and polish to create a cohesive video. Important for Canva users: while Canva lets you generate the clip, you still want to use Canva's full video editor to add text, music, and combine these clips into a larger design. The Create a Video Clip feature immediately drops your generated video into Canva's video editor, which is super convenient for quick projects. Veo 3 isn't just for photorealistic video. You can prompt for different styles: anime style, watercolor painting come to life, retro VHS footage, Pixar style animation. Get creative with your prompts. This applies whether you're using Flow or Canva. Not every prompt will give you perfection on the first try. Don't be afraid to tweak your prompts, add more detail, or try regenerating clips until you get something you love. If you're on a budget but still want to create incredible AI visuals, Google AI Studio with Veo 2 is an awesome free alternative to get those eye-catching silent art pieces for your projects. It's a great way to explore the visual power of Google's video AI without any commitment. Google AI Studio is primarily a developer platform, but it offers a user-friendly interface to experiment with Google's AI models, including an earlier version of Veo, specifically Veo 2, for free. See that? A visually stunning 8-second video generated completely for free. You can download this MP4 and then easily drop it into Canva, your video editor, and add your own music, sound effects, or voiceover. So, we've covered a lot today. We've seen how to access Google Veo 3 through Google AI Pro and the exciting integration with Canva, and even look at a free alternative for visual-only generation with Veo 2 in Google AI Studio. So there you have it, creators. Google Veo 3 is a monumental leap forward in AI video generation. And with its integration into Canva, is now more accessible than ever, putting the power of a mini Hollywood studio right at your fingertips. While it has its limitations, like the 8-second clip length and occasional consistency quirks, the potential for creative expression is immense. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you have, and of course, subscribe for more AI tools and content creation tips.